Káàbọ̀ sí ìgbàgede ẹ̀kọ́ tí òní. Welcome to today's class. Our topic today is going to be a bit interesting. It's titled Ìsìnkú nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. We'll be looking at burial ceremony in Yoruba land. Ìsìnkú ni ayẹyẹ ìkẹyìn tí a ṣe fún ènìyàn tí ó bá kú. Bí òkú bá ti kú nílẹ̀ Yorùbá, wọ́n á sin aṣọ, bàtà, ọ̀pá ìtìlẹ̀, oúnjẹ àti oríṣiríṣi mọ́. Torí ìgbàgbọ́ Yorùbá ni wípé bí a ti ń ṣe láyé, bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni à ń ṣe ní ọ̀run. Kódà tó bá jẹ́ ọba ni ó kú, wọ́n á sin ẹrú mọ́ kí ó lè jẹ́ olùrànlọ́wọ́ fún ní ọ̀run. When someone dies, ìsìnkú is a final rite that is done to a deceased person. And when they want to bury this person, they bury clothes, drinks, wine, shoes, a lot of things, money. And if it were to be a king, they will bury some slaves with him so that they will serve as helps on his way to heaven, because they believe that as it is done on earth, so it is in heaven. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wo àwọn ìgbésẹ̀ tí Yorùbá máa ń tẹ̀lé bí òkú bá ti kú. What are the steps the Yorùbás do follow when someone becomes dead? The first one is ìtúfọ̀ òkú. That is the announcement. Bí wọ́n ṣe ń kéde tí wọ́n máa sọ fún tẹbitara pé ẹnìkan lágbájá báyìí ti papòdà. They announce all and sundry that someone has given up the ghost. Èyí tó tẹ̀lé ni òkú wíwẹ̀, bathing of the deceased. Wọ́n á fi ọṣẹ àti kọ̀ìnkọ̀ìn, wọ́n á wẹ̀, wọ́n á fa irun orí ẹ̀, àmọ́ tónítóní. The bath for the deceased, they scrape the hair. Lẹ́yìn èyí ni òkú títẹ́. They lay the corpse in state so that family and friends can be able to look at the deceased. The next one is ilẹ̀ òkú gbígbẹ́. This is when the in-laws, àwọn àna ló máa ń gbẹ́lẹ̀ òkú. They come and they dig the ground, and it has to be 6 feet deep. Lẹ́yìn èyí ni àlejò ṣíṣe. This is where the friends, the family, they prepare food for their friends that have come from far and wide, and there will be music, songs, dance, a lot. Lẹ́yìn eléyìí ni ìsìnkú gangan. This is where they lay down the corpse in the mother earth. The type of coffin that should be used depends on the family. Either it's a golden coffin or a wooden coffin. Once it is done, they give dust for dust. At times they even put a good fragrance so that when the deceased is going, the deceased will smell nice to heaven. After that, enjoyment galore. Let's look at the evaluation. Kí ni ìsìnkú? What is ìsìnkú? Kí ni àwọn nǹkan tí wọ́n máa ń sin mọ́ òkú láyé àtijọ́? What do they bury with the deceased in those days? Kí ni nǹkan tí ó tóbi tí wọ́n ń sin mọ́ ọba láyé àtijọ́? What is that very big thing that they bury with the king? That is, that unique thing that they bury with kings in those days.